and today, finally all, I am here to support the artificial intelligence is a blessing. First of all, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence or AI is the ability of a machine to think, learn and decide as humans but with great speed and accuracy. In Nepali, we can say artificial intelligence भन्नाले चाहिँ एउटा कम्प्युटर र मसिनको यस्तो क्षमता हो जसले चाहिँ हामी मान्छेहरूले चाहिँ सोच्न सकिन्छ, हामीलाई इन्टरेक्ट गर्छ, हाम्रो सल्भ गर्ने प्रब्लमहरू डिसाइड गरिदिन्छ. We cannot compare humans and AI. First, at first 1956, Dartmouth Conference in USA. He's also known as Personola. So why we are here till now? There was Newton, Einstein who created gravity and all. But without AI, they created this all without AI. With AI, we can't do anything. We can do more things. So successful हाम्रो physics छ. That is what हुन्छ. Without AI, त्यस्तो छ त with AI हामी केही गर्न सक्दैन and we should appreciate it. We should use AI because it is for our benefit. But I also like to see that we are surrounded by AI. Nowadays, in social media, in your phone messages, bank account details,